Have you heard that there is always a catalyst that propels your real estate investment journey towards success and financial freedom? Watching this video till the end would give you a clue to that catalyst. Wow, it is time to unlock opportunities to invest in real estate amidst a strong dollar. In today's dynamic economic landscape, the value of dollar against Naira has presented a unique opportunity for smart investors to explore. The high cost of dollar relative to Naira can actually be a strategic advantage for those looking to make impactful investments. And guess what? One of those avenues that shines brightly in this scenario is real estate. Now, to the reasons why you should invest now, given that dollar is high against Naira. Number one, real estate is a hedge against inflation. In an environment where the dollar holds strength, real estate has historically proven to be an excellent hedge against inflation. Do your findings. How? Now, as the cost of living rises due to currency fluctuation, real estate have the potential to appreciate, preserve, and even grow your wealth over time. Secondly, diversification at its best. The current dollar to Naira ratio calls for diversification beyond traditional investments. And now, real estate introduces a tangible asset that is not influenced by market volatility. Now, by diversifying your portfolio with real estate investments, you mitigate risk associated with currency fluctuation and market uncertainty. Thirdly, foreign investors' interest. Now, when the cost of dollar to Naira is high, that is when foreign investors tend to have their eyes in Nigerians' real estate investments. You know why? Because the strong dollar appeals to foreign investors seeking opportunity in Nigerians' real estate markets. Now, when this demand is high the way it is, it drives properties value upwards. You know what that means, right? Good return. As a matter of fact, high return on your investment. So, as a smart and wise investor, when the dollar is high, just like now, is the best time to invest in the business of real estate. Because as the foreign investors are having their interest in Nigerians' real estate markets, it makes the demand to go high, thereby making the property's value to increase as well. So, invest now and await good return on your investment. The last but not the least, real estate, as you already know, is a long-term wealth creation. So the investment in the business of real estate isn't for a short term at all. But then, investing at the right time will give you an edge over others and of course, grant you the good return, high return as a matter of fact, on your investment, which should always be your target. Good return on your investment. What has that got to do with the dollar? The high dollar value can translate to a more exchange rate when you decide to liquidate your assets. Think about that. And you know what it means? Enhancing your return on investment. Come on. I know you to be a very smart investor and I know you to be a wise investor as well. My job here is to bring to your notice, to bring to your mind those things you know already, but then you may not have been putting them into practice for you to earn good return on your investment. So my job is to bring it to your doorstep, bring it to your notice, remind you, serve as a reminder for you to know the best time to strike in this business of real estate, and you enjoy a good return on your investment. In summary, the current dollar to Naira situation shouldn't be seen as a challenge at all. Rather, it should serve as an opportunity to strategically position yourself in the real estate markets. By investing now, you position yourself for potential appreciation, increment in value, and better return on investment. And as you can see, the high cost of dollar can be a catalyst, can be that catalyst that propels your real estate investment journey towards success and financial freedom. I hope you got value from this video. Do not forget to always like my videos, share, and kindly subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload any video, you will get a notification. If you have any question or questions, do not fail to drop at the comment section or chat me up directly. Chat me up via WhatsApp on 0803 743 5005. I am still your best friend and your real estate consultant here in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Loveth Aneke. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.